Section 6.1 Random Variable. Objective 1. Distinguish between discrete and continuous random variable. Discrete random variables are random variables whose possible values can be listed. Continuous random variables are random variables that can take on any value in an interval. From the definition, you can understand that the discrete random variables can be like a whole number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or it can be a negative also. And continuous random variables, it can be decimal numbers like 3.4 or 1.0 or negative 1.6. Example number 1. Determine whether a random variable is discrete or continuous. Which of the following random variables are discrete and which are continuous? In part A, the number that comes up on the roll of a die. When we roll a die, the number that we may get are 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. They are the whole number. You cannot get 3.6 or 3.7 when you roll a die. So in part A, the variable is discrete. In part B, the height of a randomly chosen college student. So the height of a person can be 6 feet or can be 6 feet point something something or can be 5 feet something something. So there are no restrict to any list of the values. So in part B, the variable is continuous. In part C, the number of siblings a randomly chosen person has. We can have 1 sibling, 2 siblings, 3 siblings. We will not have 3.4 siblings. So the variable is discrete. And in part D, the amount of electricity used to light a randomly chosen classroom. So the variable is continuous because there are no restricted to any list of the values. So in conclusion, that in chapter 6 we will learn discrete random variables, and in chapter 7 we will learn the continuous random variables.